What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I am back out here at the Kansas City Copart location, and today we're going to do another Copart walk around. We're going to take a look at a couple different vehicles, then we're going to see what they go for in the live auction. But before we get to that part, let's do the walk around portion first. Check out a couple of these different vehicles, and yeah, let's just get into it. I don't even know what I'm doing right now.
Today's video, guys, is made possible thanks to the good people over at Morgan & Morgan Attorneys at Law. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, you won't find any firm larger than Morgan & Morgan. Handling over 20 million calls in 2023 alone. You can get started today from one of these nifty little smartphones in 8 clicks or less by going to forthepeople.com/TK's Garage. Again, that is forthepeople.com/TK's Garage, and I appreciate them for allowing me to do what I do.
All right, guys. First things first, we have this 5.7 Hemi litered Dodge Ram. Look kind of nice, right? A little bit of a lift, nice rims on it, white paint, looking crispy, right? With the black letters, looking good. Looks like it had rhino lining until you get here, and it's just got a rubber mat in there. Got an extra tire. Doesn't look horrible. And then the interior looks, I don't know what kind of seats these are, but these are different. Oh, custom seat covers. Oh, that's cool. So the seats underneath are probably good. I don't know if they're leather or not. We'll check them out here in a second. And yeah, these are the actual seat upholstery, and it's some kind of harder, probably water resistant or stain resistant material. Cool. Let's walk around to the other side, see if she's got WeatherTech floorboards. Somebody had something nice going on here. They had something nice going on there. Mechanical, 207,000 miles, does not start, and that door is pinching into the fender. Well, that sucks. It looked pretty, but see, oh yeah, it hit something too. Oh, well, that sucks. That's a sorry way for us to start today. Ugh. Oh well. Well, guess we'll keep it moving and see what else we can find. Well, and as we start walking, you know, it's without fail, man. You walk about 10 feet and up, there's a Mustang. No, crowd catchers everywhere, man. Crowd catchers everywhere. Whew. Yeah, there's a food stamp one too. Damn, the grass is growing high, man. These weeds. I know the rain has been ridiculous here lately. Oof, I don't want to do that. I saw those spiders. I ain't walking through those. All right. I think I'm good if I go this way. Walking through the ecosystem. All right. Look at this Tesla. Hey, and our old friend, the Dale Earnhardt Jr. Monte Carlo SS here. I did a whole video on this. If you guys want to see it, go check it out. I lost out on the bid on this car, but evidently maybe they didn't, the person that beat me in the bid, they didn't win it either, because it's still here. So let me while I'm here, snap a picture of this. Snap. So I have a picture of it, because I will add it back to my watch list if it's available to bid on again. Anywho's, this is that Tesla, which had no information the last time I was here. It is listed as a start. The damage doesn't look that significant. For real, for real. core support, maybe a crash bar. I mean, I see the frame rails are pushed over. I get that, but it says do not remove or relock. And I think they locked it anyway. Oh well. All right, we'll just keep it moving. We're fine. We're getting into it. We'll find something here. The start of the walk around today has not been positive. Let me tell you. Whew. How about everybody's favorite vehicle? A Range Rover. No, I know y'all gonna be like, no, hell no, TK. No, that's just as bad as a BMW. No. Nah, I'm just kidding. We'll take a look at this Mitsubishi first. 44,000 miles. These are legit throwaway cars. If you didn't know this, I think these cars are brand new or like 10 grand. Like, this is the car that you could buy now that you could just buy it, run into the ground. It ain't never gonna be worth, I mean, who knows? Maybe even these went up in value. But yeah, these little Mitsubishi Mirages, this thing that says it runs and drives. 44,000 miles. Oof. She ain't got no power. It smells like an ashtray. Whew. God. That was a lot of ashtray smell right there, boy. Got a police car right here. Yep. Ooh, this one's got power. Screw that Mitsubishi. Let's see if the police charger fires up, shall we? This one's like shit. Low fuel. Lifter tap. Just had an oil change though. It's in decent shape as far as that goes, but everything else is all torn apart. Wires and stuff from their lighting systems are here. They took the spotlight out. This thing is ragged out. See why it's leaning to this side. Walk over here and take a look. What's it missing? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. Oof. That thing got smashed. Yeah. Actually, that's actually not a terrible repair, but I mean, with the way that that motor sounds, I don't think anybody wants that. I don't think anybody wants that. Well, there's supposed to be another police car around here. Oh, look. Well, by George, there is another police car over here. Get the spider web out of my way. Ugh. Well, Billy Bob, there's a sheriff patrol vehicle here. It's stuck in park, it says. Oh, wow, look. Riding shotgun is the rest of the vehicle. Woo! Looks like they got all the lights and stuff off of this one too. Let's see, let's walk around the other side and see what the damage looks like. We might even have to make this a bonus video, guys. This might be like just a regular walk around with no auction, because I gotta be honest, like today's walk arounds kind of sucked. But it is what it is. Sheriff's vehicle, all right. From Ray County, huh? The whole thing is just gone. It just snapped all that right off. Woo! And here are all the lights and the controllers and whatnot. And you can see where they just snipped the wires here for their police lights. Huh. Alright. Well, what y'all think? Y'all think it'll start? Go in and wow, look at that Scion. Damn. Yeah, I think we're just gonna make this a bonus video for y'all, man, because this is not instilling confidence that I'm finding good stuff today. It's dead. All right. Well, whatever. Thought it was cool to see it sitting here, but it ain't nothing special, you know. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on rolling with this bonus video. See what else we can find. One of my favorite body styles ever, man. Now I know that this oh, is that a different Jaguar? That is. That's not the same one I saw before. So that's a new Jaguar. It's an XK. And then we got an XJ, and this one runs and drives too. Jaguar Clubs of North America. This right here might be my thumbnail. Jaguars and Jaguars. Right there. Boom. For your bonus video. 132,000 miles. She's clean. She is clean. I wonder if oof. I wonder if she runs. Be very interesting to see. Ooh, she smells like rotten old people. Let's see if she fires up. Yeah? Oh, wow. See, I was expecting the whole dashboard to stay lit up. But she didn't. She runs good. All right, we got an airbag fault. That's it. This is for the headlights and whatnot. Got a bulb out according to that. She's got power too. Good oil pressure. Brakes. Yep. Yeah, she moves. I'm gonna leave her up too so she's not on top of that other car like I found her. Park and brake back up. What I liked about this too, the parking brake didn't take a lot. Look, that's it. It doesn't go like really high or nothing. The panels and stuff I'm seeing in here, that should all snap back in fairly easy. You can see the little rivets and stuff are still here. I think this will work. Let's see if the oh wow, did you hear that compressor kick on? Gotta turn my face for a minute so I don't get dust in my eyes. I have a feeling that this AC works. And probably works damn good. Wow, I wonder why this is here. It was picked up on, oh man. I'm gonna have to add this to my watch list, guys. I know how you guys are about this shit, but man, I really like this one. This is really clean. You just don't see them like this anymore, man. With the cup holders that still work and everything. Normal mode, sport mode. It's in sport mode. Like all of the stuff that would normally break on a Jaguar, right? It all works. I'm blown away, man. The AC works. Like it's ice friggin' cold, man. For a 95 Jag, I'm blown away, man. Steering looks good. Man, hell no. I want this. I want this one. Huh. Well, we'll have to see what happens. I'm gonna get a good picture of this lot number and add it to my list because I like this. And believe it or not, these Jaguars like this is not something like a dealer is going to want to pick up. It's not, they're not like, oh no, I just saw something. I was going to say, that's the only thing that's a bitch to fix is stuff like that, dents. But, I mean, it probably could be painted. or blended. I wonder if a PDR person could pull that out. Ugh, it goes into the, ugh. Camera overheated part 2. Oh man. Well, I'm definitely going to add that one to the watch list. And then we're going to come over here and check out this one. Now, this one's got some damage though. This one got smashed in the side, it looks like. And that always sucks. You hate to see that. Oof. Yeah, you'd have to do, that's just body work. You're not going to cut and just replace that. Window busted. She probably runs good though. She is listed as a run and drive. I wonder if the door opens. Nope. Well, we can check it from the other side and see if she runs. See if she runs at all. See all that glass over there. Hey, look, Jack, it's got a black key and a green key. Does the green key mean it goes faster? Oh, woo! She fired up with a vengeance, man. Like she was offended. Damn. So this thing runs, and runs pretty damn good. Convertible. So the little bit of rain or whatever it's been getting ain't too bad. She runs pretty decent too. She got any check engine lights? ABS, traction control, stability control. That's probably because the battery's just been low. Oil pressure looks good. Charge looks good. Oh, wait a minute. I'm starting to hear that V8 tap that these get. And that little bit of a shudder. Still a pretty car, the XK8. Would require a lot of work to that body on that side. Not to mention your typical Jaguar mess that happens, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, guys. That's going to go ahead and do it for today's video. I'm not even going to throw you guys into the live auction. This is going to be like a bonus video, a short Copart walk around that we dropped in, you know, a couple police cars, a couple Jaguars, you know, just some interesting stuff, just something to keep you guys, you know, apprised of what's going on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. And now, if this is the first time you've seen my channel, usually we're into these videos a lot longer. A lot of our Copart walkarounds can last, you know, hours. You know, the video might last an hour or longer. Today it was just kind of, it just wasn't, you know, some days things just ain't on, man, and today it was just a little bit off. So I'm not gonna drag y'all through a live auction too. Plus I missed it sitting with those Jaguars, so it is what it is. But y'all enjoy this extra video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, peace.